Hello everyone, it's Ann here from Annmakes. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have a Michaels haul to share with you, so if you're interested in seeing that, please stay tuned. And if you like this kind of video, plus all the other videos that I make, you may want to subscribe if you haven't already. And you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button below or clicking on the Annmakes in the corner of the screen. And don't forget to click on the bell from YouTube until it moves, so you can be notified whenever I post new content. So this Michaels haul is a small one, relatively small, and it was done about 2 weeks ago, so prior to the grab bag haul, which I have to film also. So let's see what I got. So these are primarily items that were in the clearance. There was a lot of 80% clearance and other kinds of clearance in the store. And I just went around to look what there was. Now, first I'm going to show you some items that were not Christmas related, thank goodness. But they had some of these back-stapled traditional linen canvases, a 12 by 16 inch. Regularly, I believe these are $14.99, and they were being cleared for $4.47. So yeah, I still think that $14.99, that's a ridiculous price, but at $4.47, that's a little bit closer to what I would pay at Dollarama. So that's why I got them. I got this one, the 12 by 16. I also got two of the 6 by 6. Because regularly these were $7.49 and they were being cleared for $2.87, which is not too bad really. And the other canvas I got is an 8 by 10. This was on clearance too, and I have to look at the receipt because I don't have the price on there. So all I know is that this one was, I don't know what the regular price was, but it was being cleared for $3.27. So not bad prices for some nice linen canvases. And these, you can stitch on this, you can paint, of course, and glue things. So there's multiple ways to use these linen canvases. So the coupon that week was only a 40% off one item. So I used it to buy this roll of Scotch masking tape that has the ruler on it. So, and it's an accurate measure. It's 1 inch, 2 inch. So I think these are fun tapes to use if you have a big work desk and you want to have a ruler in your desk. So I have used this type of tape before when I had my other studio in the basement, and I just thought I'd pick this up again because I thought it was very useful for that. So this I used my 40% off coupon, so this roll is $4.99 really, Michaels, and so I got $2 off, so I paid $2.99 for the roll, so still not cheap. Okay, so then in the Christmas stuff, I think that's all Christmas stuff that I got. So in the Christmas stuff, they had things that were 80% off, and I figured the grab bags were coming soon, but I thought that I would take advantage of what was at 80% off and get items that I would like to have, because sometimes in the grab bags you get a whole bunch of stuff that is not, really your style or whatever. So I got this big roll of Christmas celebrated fake fur white ribbon, I guess, and it is wired. It is wired ribbon. It is 3.5 inches wide. There is only 3 yards on here, but it's very thick. It is 100% polyester. So the regular price before Christmas was $20. which I would not have paid, but with the clearance price, this was $4. So this is similar to what we pay for it at Dollarama. So that's often my thing is, if this is comparable to what I could get at Dollarama, then I will pay the price. The next item I have to share with you is this roll of pearls. They're like on a mesh, and it's a square mesh, but the pearls are round and they're flat. So it's an easy application for projects, and it's very flexible, which is nice. And this is really from the wedding section. And this was just on a clearance, and regularly this is $11.99, and it was in the clearance for $3.97. So, but it was also reduced to, there was an additional clearance on it. I don't know why, but it was actually $2.40. So instead of $11.99 down to $3.97, it was $2.40. So I don't know why exactly, but hey, I'm not going to argue with that. So I got that. This is definitely something that will be used in my projects. I also got this linen type of ribbon. I think this is a really nice versatile ribbon to use in many different types of crafting. So this was $15. I don't think I would pay that price, but anyway, it's 3/8 of an inch wide, which is an excellent width for so many types of projects. And there are 10 yards on here, or 9.1 meters. So this was regularly, the original price was $15, but in the clearance, this was, I'm trying to find the price here, reduced to, my goodness, where's the price? Don't you like that? I'm trying to find the price. I cannot find it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, that's interesting. Okay. This ribbon, let me see, I think they made a mistake. Okay, so it says it was $15, but on my receipt it says it was $12.99, so even better for me. A mistake made in my favor, I will take it. So instead of that, because it's their mistake, obviously, this was $2.60. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. I'll take it. Okay, what else do I have? I got a bag of the foam stickers. I like this nutcracker theme. I like that there's blues and pinks. There's little swans in here as well, and snowflakes or stars. The little princess with the nutcracker. So I just thought, well, there's versatile things to be done with this. Of course, you can do a Christmas nutcracker theme with it, but because of the swans and other components in it, it could be used for different crafts throughout the year. So regularly in Canada, this was $11.99, and with the clearance, I got it for $2.40. So yes, I'll pay $2.40 for this. That's good for me. And then a few other items that were in the clearance. I got this roll of twine that was $11.99, and I think it was just in the regular clearance. Yeah, it was down to $4.49, and you get a lot on here. So for $4.49, that to me would be the regular price I would pay at the most. So and the color is just right for so many crafts. Also in the clearance, that was not the Christmas clearance, but just regular clearance, I picked up some extra blades for my Fisker tools. So this one is for the no touch blade system. Instead of $8.99 was $2.97. So anytime I can find these pieces that go with tools, especially when the price is much better, I like to buy them. And then this one is another type of blade for the swivel knife. And this, instead of $10.99 for two, it's $3.97. So makes for, you know, a cheaper replacement cost. I also saw this little sticker. These are candlesticks. I thought they were cute. These were $5.99. Crazy. In the clearance for $1.97. These are the Seven Gypsies brand, canvas core brands. So yeah, these are usually very pricey, but they do have a lot of dimension. They are very pretty. So that's why they're more pricey. So back with the Christmas items, I did get several of the picks that were 80% off. And so these were regular $8. This is crazy. $8 for this pick. So, but with the clearance price, they come out to $1.60. Yeah, but and this one was actually $6, so it came out to $1.20. So the lollipops were a little less expensive. So, but $8 really. So, and $6. This little angel with the pink feathers. Of course, I got it because of the light pink. And this little angel was $6. So again, this came out to $1.20, which I think is, you know, what I would pay if I got this at the dollar store. I also got this donut. I just thought this would be a nice thing to have at other times of the year also, and maybe for a prop for pictures. And this was $6, so I paid $1.20. Here's another gingerbread person. This one with the little candy cane in pink and white, which I think is really sweet. So I got this for $1.60. And last but not least, I did get the unicorn. There was one unicorn that I saw that was in good condition. Yeah, some other unicorns were not. So I got this one. So it was $8, but I got this for $1.60. So those are my little finds from Michael's. And on that same day, I went next door to Value Village, and I only found one thing, so that's why I'm including it in this video. But what I found was this bag, and it's quite heavy, for $3.99. And I could see that there were lots of jewelry components in it. And here, the thing that caught my eye is that it's cat S hooks. So the cat is what really got my attention. Let's try to make some room here. So let's open the bag together and see exactly what I got in here. So whoever gave this, you know, that made this donation, took the time to put things in separate Ziploc bags, which I think is nice. And so let's see what's in here. So there's a lot. There's a lot of stuff in here. You don't be deceived by the size of the package, really. So these are a whole bunch of hooks that can be used in jewelry making. These can be used to attach a necklace or a bracelet, and these can also be used in mixed media in some fashion. So there was this set, and then there's also this set in the goldish or brass color. And they're all metal. I'm not sure what type of metal, but they all seem nice metal. There's also this little bag. These are very nice little hooks, eyes and hooks for jewelry making. There's it seems to be a whole series of different attachments, and this one too. I'm trying to see if I can open it. So, oh, okay. So is this a, oh, this is another type of attachment for a necklace. And there's the other part here. You get this part here. This, so you put this at one end and this at the other. So, and like I said, these can be, even if you don't make jewelry with these are fun pieces to add to your mixed media. So here again, we have some more closures. They're really different. They're really nice. They're good quality. They feel nice in the hand. And I think I did okay. Some more hooks. These ones have little butterflies on them, if you can see that. And this bag has, again, the hooks with the flowers. See that? And so here, there's actually the original packaging of some of it. So let's see what it says here. So, smooth toggles silver, sterling silver plated metal toggles, that's what they're called. Toggle sets for any of your jewelry designs by Bead Heaven. So, yeah, so they're silver toggles. Well, silver plated, so these are just plated basically, but they're nice for making jewelries, or again, to use in any type of mixed media work. And this is the one that attracted me, the cat S hooks. So they're S hooks for jewelry making, but let's face it, I could use these in different things as well. And it's a kitty. It's a little kitty with a ball of yarn. I don't know if you could see that. Well, I love that. I just absolutely love the kitty cat on here. So I'm very happy. I would have paid $3.99 just for this, and I know with the price of these jewelry findings, $3.99 for all of this is really a good deal. I think I scored well on that one. There's some more of those. Oh, cruise line toggles silver. Oh, I get it. Yes, because these look like lifesavers. Those lifesaver floaty things. And then finally we have this bag, and it's quite heavy, of this 10 karat gold plated flower S hooks. So that is my haul from Michael's and Value Village. I'm pleased with my findings, and I hope that you enjoyed this haul video today, and maybe you got some ideas for things to do, or how to look at things that are sold for one season and yet still incorporate them into year-round crafting like I'm trying to do, because even though this was sold in the Christmas, obviously this can be used all year for different types of crafts. So I hope that gives you some ideas of things that, some ways you can repurpose your seasonal themed crafts. And if you like this video, I would appreciate a like, a comment, share, please, if you care. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.